Ah, there she is. Woo! Boy, I hit a ghost limb right there. A little bitty damn limb sticking out right there. I tell you what, guys, flying out here in the briar patch, if you ain't got a discovery beeper, I tell you what, I didn't see this bird until I was right on top of it. You know, that's one of the most important things that you can have on your bird is a good discovery beeper. Because if you fly areas like this out here, I'm telling you, man, this grass will suck it up and it'll be gone, boy. Yep. So I highly recommend, if you do not have a discovery beeper and you're going to fly in areas like this, you want to be a bush pilot, like I say, the most important thing is have your discovery beeper. Because I'm telling you, dude, this stuff will eat a quad. It'll suck it down and you'll never see it again. Alright, guys, that's Rick's tip of the day. Today we're out here at the briar patch, but we're out here in a little different section. I haven't flown this part a whole lot, and kind of been trying to drive around, get the sweet spot. You know, every spot that you go fly, there's always a sweet spot where you're going to get the best signal between all the trees. And that's what I've been trying to do here. And I've moved about 2 or 3 times, and this seems to be like the best place. But I got to watch out for these big power lines right here. That's why I usually avoid this spot. But I think I can, stay low enough to stay out of them. At least I hope so. All right, so here we go. Stay tuned.
That was a good fight, bud.